This video is to demonstrate how to require a Google Doc or assign a Google Drive assignment from within Canvas. So I am beginning on a basic assignments page and I'm in edit mode. So I have my rich text editor here where I can place any instructions that I would like to include. You can, using the plug option, you can select Google Drive or Google Apps Old and submit or embed documents right on the instructions page. However, if you want students to be required to submit a Google Doc or a Google Drive item as the assignment submission, you will do that in the portion below. So submission type, we have various options. We have an online, on paper, or an external tool. The online will allow for students to submit media. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It will allow for students to do a text entry, submit a website URL, media recordings, student annotation, meaning that students can annotate another's work, or file uploads. The file uploads will allow students to go to their Google Drive in order to assign a document. However, in order to require a Google Drive document, you will select an external tool. So Google's considered an external or an outside tool. This external tool will also have, and I'm going to go ahead, it says you can enter the URL. So you can enter the URL to the document presentation that you want the students to be able to, create a copy of their own and submit. Or I'm just going to type Google in here and select Find. So when I select Find, these external tools can all be incorporated into Canvas. So I can say if there's a lesson from CK12, Edgenuity, Edpuzzle, Google Drive, McGraw-Hill, all of these items are considered external tools. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and select Google Assignments LTI. And the next page that loads is going to require you to connect to your Google account. So I'm going to select Continue. And the next block that opens has some important information. So you can ask Google to check for plagiarism. This is where you will attach the file. So I could click there and select a file from my Google Drive. Or you can create a new doc, sheet, or presentation that the students can just make a copy of and submit. So this is really important. Make a copy of the attached files for each student to edit and submit. When you select this option, when the students access this assignment, a new or a student unique document will be created. And if the student doesn't complete the assignment in one sitting and they come back to this assignment, they will still be given their working document. Down here, there are two other items, Google Assignments or Canvas Speed Grader. The Speed Grader is one that allows for you as the teacher to access and grade in a quicker manner. You can also select this so that you can give feedback on the actual document. Both have their benefits, and then you would create the assignment. So that is how you use the external tool option from within Canvas to assign a Google assignment.